Everybody, this is Ian Lamont, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides and Cheat Sheets available from the In 30 Minutes Cheat Sheet store. Today I'll be talking about compressing large PDFs using Adobe Acrobat Pro. And if you could take a moment to follow my channel and like the video, I would really appreciate it. And this works on either the Windows version of Adobe Acrobat or the Mac version of Adobe Acrobat. I've tested them both and they look exactly the same. So here's a situation. We have some PDFs in this folder here, and I want to take this PDF right here. Finance Volume 1, create space PDF. You can see it's 10.9 megabytes in size, and that makes it pretty large to email. In fact, if I try to email this to other people, it may choke, it may cause a problem with the email program or with spam or something else. So I want to make it smaller. So this is what I do. I'm going to open this up in Adobe Acrobat Pro. So this is the paid version of Adobe Acrobat. There's also a free version, but the compression feature is not available in the free version, so you need to subscribe to the paid version. And once I've opened up this PDF, I'm going to go to File, Compress PDF. It will then prompt you where you want to save it, so just click whatever folder you're going to save it in. I'm going to save it in this folder called Temp. It's actually the same folder. It will prompt me to save it, and it will use the same name. So if you want to keep two versions of it, the original and the compressed version, I suggest using a different name. And another reason to do that, if you use the same name, it will overwrite the old version, and you may lose some quality of data, because this is basically what it's doing. Adobe is looking for data that it can squash or data it can take out that it doesn't think makes much of a difference. But as you know, for PDFs, sometimes there's image files in there which you like them to be a little bit bigger and higher quality than lower quality. So I'm just going to create it with a different name, basically the same name with compressed, and then it's .pdf, and save it. It'll say compressing PDF, and let's take a look. So here's the original one, 10.9 megabytes. Here's the new one, the one I just created, 821 kilobytes. So basically, it's gone down in size from basically 10% of its original size. Let's see what it looks like. So you know what? I'm going to open it in another program, and then we can kind of compare them side by side. So the quality of these compressed PDFs is generally pretty good. If you look at it, I don't see anything right off the top of my head that looks bad, but I'm sure a graphic artist might say, well, actually the image is not as sharp or whatever. But sometimes if you just need to send a smaller PDF, this is really an easy way to do it. For more information on how to get the most out of technology, check out our cheat sheets and guides on in30minutes.com or the cheat sheet store. This is Ian Lamont signing off. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it or follow me on YouTube. And thank you so much for watching.